All right, project managers, listen up. Today, I'm diving into how to build an agile workspace that will skyrocket your team's productivity and collaboration. First things first, let's get clear on what an agile workspace really means. It's not just about open spaces and sticky notes, though those help. It's about fostering a culture where your team can adapt, pivot, and deliver high-quality results quickly. Step 1, create a flexible physical environment. Think modular furniture, writable walls, and plenty of natural light. Your team needs to move around, brainstorm, and shift priorities easily. Get rid of those static cubicles and make room for dynamic work zones. Step 2, incorporate agile tools and technologies. Tools like Jira, Trello, or Asana can help visualize tasks and track progress. These platforms keep everyone on the same page and make it easy to adjust plans on the fly. Step 3, foster communication and collaboration. Daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives are non-negotiable. These rituals keep the team aligned and focused on continuous improvement. Make sure you have spaces for both quick huddles and in-depth discussions. Step 4, encourage a culture of transparency and trust. Agile thrives on openness. Make sure everyone's roles, responsibilities, and progress are visible to the entire team. This builds accountability and helps spot bottlenecks early. Step 5, provide continuous training and support. Agile isn't a one-time shift, it's an ongoing journey. Offer regular training sessions, workshops, and resources to help your team stay sharp and adaptable. Now let's talk about leadership. As a project manager, your role is to be a servant leader. Support your team by removing obstacles, facilitating communication, and empowering them to make decisions. This isn't about micromanaging, it's about enabling your team to thrive. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Acknowledging achievements boosts morale and keeps the momentum going. So there you have it, a roadmap to building an agile workspace. Start implementing these steps today and watch your team transform into a powerhouse of productivity and innovation. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering agile project management. Catch you in the next video.